The world is changing. Every day, we witness new technological advancements that reshape our lives in ways we could never have imagined just a few years ago. At the heart of this transformation is artificial intelligence. AI is not just a tool, it's the driving force behind a new era of innovation and progress. Like an earthquake, AI is shaking the very foundations of industries across the globe. From healthcare to finance, from education to entertainment, no sector remains untouched by its disruptive power. One of the most significant tremors in this AI earthquake was caused by ChatGPT, a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. It revolutionized the way we interact with machines, making conversations with AI more natural and intuitive. But the landscape of AI is ever evolving. Now a new contender has emerged on the horizon, promising to bring even greater changes. Enter Google's Gemini. Imagine a world where AI doesn't just understand words, but also images, sounds, and even complex data types. This is the vision behind Gemini. Gemini promises to be a multimodal AI, capable of processing and understanding a variety of information sources. This is not just an incremental improvement, it's a revolutionary leap forward. With Gemini, Google aims to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve. This new model represents a major leap forward in the field of artificial intelligence. Building upon the foundation laid by large language models like ChatGPT, Gemini goes further. It integrates multiple modalities, making it more versatile and powerful. Designed to be multimodal, Gemini can process and understand different types of information simultaneously. This means it can handle text, images, videos, and even code with ease. The ability to process diverse information types allows Gemini to perform tasks that were previously unimaginable. It can analyze a photo, understand the context of a video, and even write code based on a simple description. This multimodal capability is truly a game changer. It opens up new possibilities for how we use AI in our daily lives and in various industries. With Gemini, the potential applications are vast, from creating more interactive and engaging educational tools to developing advanced medical diagnostic systems. The possibilities are endless. One of the most exciting aspects of Gemini is its ability to understand the world more like humans do. We don't experience life in just one dimension. We see, hear, and feel simultaneously. Gemini aims to replicate this multisensory experience, bridging the gap between human and machine understanding. This could lead to more intuitive and natural interactions with AI. Imagine an AI that can not only read a text but also understand the emotions behind it, recognize the objects in a photo, and even interpret the sounds in a video. This is the future that Gemini is working towards. By bridging the gap between human and machine understanding, Gemini has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with technology. It could make our interactions with AI more seamless and intuitive. The arrival of Gemini is significant. It marks a new chapter in the AI revolution, one where machines can understand and interact with the world in a more human-like manner. This development also signals Google's ambition in the AI race. With Gemini, Google is positioning itself at the forefront of AI innovation, ready to lead the charge into the future. But this is not just about creating better chatbots or more efficient search engines. It's about redefining the future of how we interact with information and technology. The implications of Gemini's capabilities are profound. It could change the way we learn, work, and even play. As we stand on the brink of this new era, one thing is clear: the AI earthquake is far from over, and Google's new Tremor, Gemini, is set to shake things up even more. Gemini's strength lies in its multimodal abilities. This means it can process and understand information from various sources, not just text. It can interpret images, videos, and even sounds, making it a versatile tool in many fields. Unlike language models limited to text, Gemini breaks barriers by integrating multiple forms of data. This allows it to provide more comprehensive and accurate responses. Imagine showing Gemini a picture and asking, "What's happening here?" Whether it's a photo of a bustling city street or a serene landscape, Gemini can analyze the image, understand the context, and provide a detailed response. It can identify objects, recognize activities, and even infer emotions from facial expressions. This multimodal understanding is revolutionary. It opens up new possibilities for how we interact with technology and how technology can assist us in our daily lives. It allows for more natural and intuitive interactions with AI. Instead of relying solely on text input, users can communicate with Gemini through a combination of text, images, and even voice commands. Instead of just typing commands, we can show and tell. This makes the interaction more dynamic and engaging, as users can provide visual context to their queries. Need a recipe for the dish in a photo? Gemini can help. Simply show it a picture of the dish, and it can identify the ingredients and suggest recipes. Have a technical question about a diagram? Gemini can analyze it and provide an answer. The applications are endless. From engineering to architecture, Gemini can assist in understanding complex diagrams and schematics. In healthcare, Gemini could analyze medical images. This could assist doctors with diagnoses by providing a second opinion or highlighting areas of concern. This could assist doctors with diagnoses. By analyzing X-rays, MRIs, and other medical images, Gemini can help identify potential issues and suggest further tests or treatments. In education, Gemini could create interactive learning experiences. Students can engage with historical images, scientific diagrams, and other visual aids in a more meaningful way. Imagine students asking questions about historical events and seeing images from that time. They can explore different perspectives and gain a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Gemini's multimodal capabilities are not just about convenience. They enhance the user experience by making interactions more intuitive and effective. They represent a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology. By understanding multiple forms of input, Gemini can provide more accurate and relevant responses. This is AI that understands our world, not just our words. It can see, hear, and interpret the world around us, making it a powerful tool for a wide range of applications. In creative fields like art and design, Gemini can be a valuable assistant. It can analyze visual styles, suggest improvements, and even generate new ideas based on existing works. In environmental monitoring and conservation, Gemini can analyze satellite images, track changes in ecosystems, and provide insights for conservation efforts. Gemini can also enhance accessibility for people with disabilities. By understanding and interpreting visual and auditory information, it can provide assistance in navigating the world and accessing information. The future possibilities with Gemini's multimodal capabilities are vast. As technology continues to evolve, Gemini will play an increasingly important role in how we interact with and understand the world around us. Language is complex. It's filled with nuances, double meanings, and cultural references. Understanding context is crucial for true comprehension. This is another area where Gemini excels. It's designed to grasp not just the words themselves, but also their meaning within a given situation. For example, consider the phrase, "kick the bucket." On its own, it seems like a simple action. But in context, we understand it means to die. Gemini can decipher these subtle cues. This allows for more sophisticated and accurate responses. Imagine asking Gemini to summarize a news article. It wouldn't just repeat the words verbatim, it would understand the key points, the sentiment, and the overall message. This contextual awareness is what sets Gemini apart. This ability to understand context is crucial for tasks like translation. Languages have different grammatical structures and cultural idioms. Gemini's contextual awareness helps bridge these gaps, leading to more accurate and natural-sounding translations. Gemini doesn't exist in a vacuum. It's deeply integrated with Google's vast ecosystem, which gives it access to a treasure trove of data and functionality. Think about Google Search, YouTube, Google Maps, and more. Gemini can tap into these resources to provide richer, more comprehensive responses. Imagine searching for a restaurant on Google Maps. With Gemini, you could ask, "Show me Italian restaurants with outdoor seating and live music." Gemini could combine data from reviews, photos, and even real-time information to provide the perfect recommendations. This integration with Google's ecosystem is a major advantage. It allows Gemini to leverage the power of existing services and data, creating a seamless and intuitive user experience. Whether you're searching for information, booking a flight, or controlling your smart home, Gemini can assist you. This integration also benefits Google's existing services. Search results become more accurate and relevant. Google Assistant becomes more conversational and helpful. The entire Google ecosystem becomes smarter and more powerful with Gemini at its core. But let's delve deeper into what this really means for the user. Imagine you're planning a trip. You start by searching for flights on Google Search. Gemini can not only find the best flights for you, but also suggest the best times to travel based on historical data and current trends. Once your flight is booked, you can use Google Maps to explore your destination. With Gemini's integration, you can get personalized recommendations for hotels, restaurants, and attractions based on your preferences and past behavior. Now let's say you're a foodie looking for the best dining experiences. Gemini can analyze reviews, photos, and even social media posts to recommend the top spots. It can tell you which restaurants have the best ambiance, the most delicious dishes, and even the best times to visit to avoid crowds. This level of personalization is unprecedented and makes your dining experience truly unique. But Gemini's capabilities don't stop there. If you're a content creator on YouTube, Gemini can help you optimize your videos for better reach and engagement. It can analyze viewer data to suggest the best times to post, the most engaging content types, and even the best keywords to use. This can significantly boost your channel's performance and help you connect with your audience more effectively. For those who use Google Assistant, Gemini makes it even more powerful. Imagine being able to have a natural, flowing conversation with your virtual assistant. You can ask it to play your favorite music, control your smart home devices, or even help you with your daily tasks. Gemini's advanced AI capabilities make Google Assistant more intuitive and responsive, enhancing your overall experience. In essence, Gemini's integration with Google's ecosystem transforms the way we interact with technology. It makes everyday tasks easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. Whether you're planning a trip, exploring new dining options, creating content, or simply managing your daily life, Gemini is there to assist you every step of the way. This is the future of AI, and it's here now, making our lives smarter and more connected than ever before. With Gemini at the heart of Google's ecosystem, the possibilities are endless. It's not just about accessing information, it's about creating a personalized, intuitive experience that adapts to your needs and preferences. Welcome to Gemini's Playground, where technology and intelligence come together to make your life better. Gemini's impact extends far beyond our personal lives. It has the potential to revolutionize entire industries. In healthcare, Gemini could assist doctors with diagnoses, analyze medical images, and even develop personalized treatment plans. This could lead to faster, more accurate diagnoses and better patient outcomes. In education, Gemini could personalize learning experiences for each student, provide real-time feedback, and even grade assignments objectively. This could free up teachers to focus on mentoring and inspiring their students. Imagine a world where every student has access to a personalized AI tutor, available 24/7. In manufacturing, Gemini could optimize production processes, identify defects in real time, and even design new products. This could lead to increased efficiency, reduced waste, and the development of innovative new products. These are just a few examples of how Gemini could transform industries. The possibilities are truly endless. As Gemini continues to learn and evolve, its impact on our world will only grow. Stay tuned and subscribe for more updates on how Gemini is shaping the future. Don't miss out on the latest advancements in AI technology.